Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to add text on image in Gimp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Gimp. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go up to the left corner on your screen and then click on File and go ahead and click on Open, or you can also click on Control plus O. Once you do that, select the image that you want from your PC and then click on Open. Once you're here, you can either choose to convert or keep it. I'm going to choose Keep. And now, as you can see, guys, the image is added to Gimp. So now, in order to add the text, go ahead right here to the left side of your screen and then click on this A icon. So this is the text tool. Once you click here, select the area where you want to add the text. For example, I'm going to add it here. And then once you do that, you can type the text that you want. So for example, I'm going to name it text on image. And then as you can see guys, now we added the text. You can also change the size of the text by selecting the text and then come here. And for example, I'm going to change it to 300 or 100. And then once you change it, you can click anywhere. And as you can see, guys, the size has been changed. Now, if you want to change the color, select the text again and go here to this box. And for example, we're going to change the color to yellow. Click here and then click on OK. And as you can see, guys, the color is changed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.